Hello guys, what's up? This is Nitin Sinha and you're watching my channel Anatech on youtube.com. So guys, as we know that we have gone too far in HTML and we are about to end the HTML part of web development. So if you are new on my channel, so do subscribe it, access my playlist and read from beginning if you are a beginner. And if you are of course an experience holder, then also read it, watch my videos so that I'm sure of it you will know at least something new in my videos because I have given my best to explain whatever it is in HTML. So in this tutorial we will learn about the header, footer and nav element in the HTML. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see that I opened my VS Code here and I have given it title, header, footer and nav element. So first of all, as like in every page, let's make an h1 tag, right, header, footer and nav element. As like always, here I apply style attribute and now run this code before running this. Let's give an horizontal row line and now run this with the open with live server. So if I start it running with a live server, then as you can see here the page has been loaded in the web browser and started. So whatever code I will write in this VS Code, the result will be displayed on the web page. Okay, so first we will talk about the header part. What is exactly header? So I will write content one by one and then explain you exactly what is it. Okay, so 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 I will give an introduction about the header, footer and nav element. Basically, these elements are introduced in HTML5. Okay, before that there were we used a particular elements for the header, footer and nav. But these elements are introduced in HTML5. Header elements are used at the top of the websites. Footer elements are used in the bottom of the websites and nav element means nav stands for the nav bar. Basically it is used with the header element. If you want to use an header element then you can use, otherwise you can use it separately, but mostly it is used in the header part. So exactly what is it? Okay, so as we have pointed out all points that we need to know, now again come to what is exactly header used here. Okay, what we can do with the header element. To create a header element, first you have to write simply header and enter, and for the just like footer you have to write footer and enter. Your header and footer part is ready. Inside a header, a footer, in header we can write a company logo. Okay, or a heading, heading that will describe about your company, a little reference that will give. Okay, icons, links, and maybe somewhere contact informations. Basically, what does header detect? Header detects about your website. As we, if I go to here and run a website named Java T Point, let's access this link. And as you can see here in the header part, what is Java T Point's logo, a search bar, search button, and some links. Okay, basically a web page can have more than one header parts, as like a part can detect only contact information and their social links, as like Facebook page, Twitter page, Insta page and all, and other maybe make a contain n number of links as it is here, as like home, Python, Java, PHP. So according to a website you can put n number of links inside your web page. The same content your footer except company logos, heading, icon, link, contact information, although it also contain address of your company and a copyright message. Okay, it means footer part also contain company logo, heading, icon. Links may be also used in as a in the footer as like important links. Even admin links can be also used here, so that admin can log in and see whatever has done by the end user in the his website. And also footer can contain the address of a particular company. If you have company, then address of the company and a copyright message that is mostly that is important to display on a web page. Okay, so these are the use of the header parts. A header element is used at the top of the website and can have more than one header elements. Okay, and a footer can be used just by one. Okay, there are only one footer in your website, as you can see here. If I go down in the javatipoint.com, then you can see there is only one footer. This is your footer. Okay, it's contain learning tutorials, our websites, our services and contact information. As you can see here, the address are written here. Okay, and contact numbers are displayed here and important links are here and a copyright message. Okay, so according to your use you can give several parts in the footer element also. So guys, these are the use of the header element, footer element. Now let's go for the nav element. Okay, if you want to create a nav element, then you have to do inside a header part. Mostly nav elements are used inside the header part, and these are used means nav tag are used to create a nav bar. Basically nav bar contains the links that of the particular pages. Okay, how? Let's go with the example. As you can see here, here are the links. Okay, so this may be called as a nav bar. If I go to Flipkart, okay, so let's understand this with the help of Flipkart, and you can see here in the particular nav bar, in this header, here is a company logo name, here is a search box, login button, more, and what else you can do here, and number of links here, and your card, and here are some links with the images. So these links are can be created with the help of navbar. Okay, so how to create these links? Simple. I have told you before, the list. Of course, with the help of list. Okay, then you have to create a nav, and under that you have to give the link ul tag, and inside li you have to give the link with the help of anchor tag. Here first I will write home, then again I will copy it. I'm copying it because so that video may got lengthy, that's why I'm making it copy and paste. Okay, home, services, about us. Don't focus on the link that the arrangement may be but yeah, I just want to demonstrate how does it exactly work. Okay, about us and sign in. Okay, so if I run this now run this cu, then look at this. Okay, now with the help of css we make this header and footer elements look like this as it is there. Okay, don't worry, our css part has about to come, so be patient. And whatever most element tags are used in html that I'm going that I want to demonstrate to and all. Okay, so that's all. It's that's it guys, it's in the video. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, then do like and share it. Do not forget to subscribe this channel so that if I upload any video, then you got notification about it. Okay guys, take care, bye bye.